Hello, today we will guide you through how to change leverage in Exness. To begin, open your browser and go to the Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading accounts and account settings. Once the page loads, sign in if needed and wait until your dashboard is fully visible before moving on. Next, make sure you are in the Accounts section. If you are not already there, look to the left-hand panel and click on Accounts. This section shows your available trading accounts and gives you access to account-specific actions, including leverage settings. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the right area will help avoid changing the wrong setting by mistake. After that, choose whether you want to work with a real account or a demo account. Click on the category that applies to the account you want to update. This is important because leverage settings are adjusted per account, so you'll want to be certain you're selecting the correct one before continuing. Once you've found the account you want to edit, look for the three dots beside the Set Balance button. Click those three dots to open the Account Options menu. This menu contains additional controls for that specific account, including the Leverage Adjustment feature. From the menu that appears, click on Adjust Leverage. This will open the leverage settings for the selected account. If you are new to leverage, it simply controls how much trading exposure you can access relative to your available funds, so it's a setting worth reviewing carefully before making any changes. Now choose your preferred leverage from the available options. Take your time here and select the setting that best matches your trading preferences and risk tolerance. Higher leverage can increase potential returns, but it can also increase risk, so it's a good idea to double-check your selection before confirming it. Once you've made your choice, click Save. This will apply the updated leverage setting to your selected account. After saving, it's a smart idea to briefly review the account details on the screen to make sure the change has been updated successfully. And that's it. You've now changed the leverage for your Exness account. If you manage multiple accounts, remember that you may need to repeat the same process for each one individually. Thanks for following along, and we hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to complete.